Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to make all posts private on Facebook. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's do this. Step 1, go to the Facebook app and click on menu. Next step, setting. Tap on setting, scroll down and find your activity. Click on activity log. On this page, click on public post. Here you can see all of your posts. Select your post, click on 3 point and tap on change audience. Finally, you can change it. You can choose friends, just your friends can see your post, or just only me, and other option. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support me. Thank you.